What's the meaning of Captain Kidd? Captain Kidd. Captain Kidd.
Captain Kidd. Captain Kidd. Captain Kidd was a notorious pirate who operated in the late 17th century. He is known for his piracy in the Indian Ocean and the Red Sea. The meaning of Captain Kidd often refers to this historical figure or the legends surrounding his treasure. In popular culture, it is also used to describe someone who was a skilled or successful leader, particularly in naval or maritime contexts. Overall, the term Captain Kidd has become synonymous with piracy and adventure on the high seas.